Energy harvesting eliminates the need for mains power and batteries by collecting electrical energy generated through movement, sunlight, magnetic fields, or thermal variations. A low-maintenance, low-cost, planet-friendly solution for generating power. N-Ocean devices use energy harvesting in several ways. The pressure on a light switch is transformed into a minute amount of electrical energy. That's all that's needed to send a signal to the appliance being used. A small amount of ambient light is converted into electrical energy by a tiny solar cell, which can power various types of sensors. In darkness, previously harvested and stored energy is used instead. The temperature difference between cold air and a warm radiator is enough to generate an electric current, so thermal energy can be used to power a smart radiator valve. And when current flows through an electric cable, it generates a magnetic field which can be harvested via a CT clamp. Self-powered technology needs no external power supply, and cable-free devices can be placed with the utmost flexibility upon virtually any surface in a matter of seconds, without the need for time-consuming structural work to lay cables, avoiding noise and dirt, saving on maintenance, and allowing for uninterrupted use of the building spaces.